So, if you have a Windows 10 or 11 laptop, which I suppose you do, else you wouldn't be watching this video, and also a smart TV that supports wireless Samsung DeX, and if you are a multitasking pro, a productivity maestro, or someone who just enjoys seamless device integration, then this video is just for you. We'll explore the pros and cons of Samsung DeX and Link to Windows in detail, uncover their usability, compatibility, and useful features. So buckle up and get ready for a tech showdown like no other. First up, let's talk about the pros of Samsung DeX. With DeX, you can transform your Galaxy device into a desktop-like environment, complete with a larger screen, a full-size keyboard, and even a mouse. This can be incredibly useful for productivity tasks such as editing documents, browsing the web, or even playing games on a bigger display. Another pro of Samsung DeX is that it supports multi-window functionality, allowing you to run multiple apps side by side, just like on a traditional desktop. This can enhance multitasking and streamline your workflow, making it easier to get things done efficiently. In terms of compatibility, Samsung DeX is supported on a wide range of Galaxy devices, including smartphones and tablets. From the S8 to the S23 series, the Note 8 to the Note 20 series, the Galaxy A90 5G, and a couple of Tab S series. This means that you can leverage the power of Samsung DeX on various Galaxy devices, depending on your preference and needs. Yeah, so older generations of Samsung Galaxy devices may not support Samsung's wireless DeX, and you may need a cable or even a DeX pad to connect to a display. Now, while Samsung DeX is compatible on a wide range of Galaxy devices, it may not be compatible on devices that belong to other brands. This means that you won't be able to use Samsung DeX if you have a non-Samsung Galaxy device, which can limit versatility and accessibility to some users. Connecting wirelessly to DeX is super easy. All you have to do is launch DeX from your quick panel by long pressing on DeX, and it will search for your smart TV or laptop. Select your TV or desktop, and Samsung DeX will launch on your device. Now, let's take a look at some of the cons of Samsung DeX. One of the main limitations is that it will not provide the same level of performance as a dedicated laptop or even a desktop. While DeX offers a desktop-like experience, it's still running on a mobile device, which may not be as powerful as a dedicated computer, especially for resource-intensive tasks like video editing or gaming. Another potential con of Samsung DeX is the need for additional hardware. To use Samsung DeX efficiently, you would definitely need an external display like a smart TV, a desktop, or even a laptop. You would also need a mouse and a keyboard, which may not be readily available everywhere you go. This means that you would need to carry additional hardware and peripherals, which honestly can be an inconvenience, especially for on-the-go users. Speaking of cons, do subscribe to my channel, which if you don't would definitely be a downside. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button below, and also remember to smash the bell icon. Picture this, you are in the middle of an important task on your Windows computer and your phone keeps on buzzing. What do? Well, with Link to Windows, you no longer need to juggle between devices and interrupt your workflow. Link to Windows allows you to seamlessly connect and control your smartphone right from your desktop. Intrigued? Let's get into the details. With Link to Windows, you can receive and manage your Android phone's notification directly on your Windows computer. This ensures that you stay updated and connected without needing to switch devices constantly. Another advantage is the ability to send and receive text messages directly from your Windows computer. This feature makes it more convenient to respond to messages while you're working or when your phone is out of reach. Link to Windows also enables cross-device app integration. You can run your favorite Android apps on your Windows computer, which provides a larger display and more functionality. Now, like everything else, all good things come to an end. And we also have to look at some of the not so good things of Link to Windows. While Link to Windows offers a couple of benefits, there are a few downsides to Link to Windows as well. One drawback is that Link to Windows is currently only compatible with select Samsung, Honor, and Surface devices. This limitation restricts its availability to a subset of Android users, which can be disappointing for those who own devices from manufacturers other than these. On the other side, Link to Windows is designed to work on Windows 10 and later versions. It integrates seamlessly with the Phone Link app, which acts as a primary interface to manage your Android phone's features. Another aspect to be concerned about is privacy. Since Link to Windows integrates your phone with your computer, it is always important to ensure that your data is safe. Always be mindful about granting appropriate permissions and also ensuring that you use a secure connection.